This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add Grammarly to Outlook email. First of all, open your browser and type here, download Grammarly for Outlook, and search for this link, Grammarly for MS Office. Once you get it, click on that. Click on get the add-in, and the Grammarly for Microsoft Office will download here. Once it's downloaded, you will get this installer. So open this by double clicking on it and then click on get started. If you want to add Grammarly on your Word and Outlook, then check these two options from here and click on install. And it may take some time to install it. And as you can see, I've successfully installed Grammarly for Office Suite. To launch Grammarly, open Microsoft Word or Outlook. If either application is already open, restart it to activate Grammarly. And as you can see, I've successfully added Grammarly to my Outlook email. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.